Good afternoon. I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. The ASX is currently trading 0.18% higher. The SPI futures are up 12 points. The best performing sector is REITs, up 1.56%. The worst performing sector is materials, down 1.09%. The best performing large cap is Qantas Airways, trading 3.13% higher at $4.95. It is followed by shares in Seven Group Holdings and Whitehaven Coal. The worst performing large cap is Pilbara Minerals, trading 3.93% lower at $3.67. It is followed by shares in Alchem and Mineral Resources. In Asian news, in October, China's official Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index fell to 49.5 from September's 50.2, signifying a return to contraction, while the non-manufacturing sector, represented by a gauge that decreased from 51.7 to 50.6, exhibited an unexpected easing in its expansion. These results underscore the fragility of China's economy and the potential requirement for further economic support measures. Japan's Nikkei has lost 0.15%, Hong Kong's Hang Seng has lost 1.15%, and China's Shanghai Composite has lost 0.32%. Finally, commodities and the dollar. Gold is trading at US $2,004.80 an ounce. Light crude is trading 30 cents higher at US $82.61 a barrel, and $1 Australian dollar is buying 63.57 US cents. Thank you for listening.